So if I were to go around over here onto a particular email and then click on reply, then what happens is that the reply comes up over here on the right hand side, as you can see. Let me just go around and discard this particular email right here. So now if I were to go around onto view, then onto view settings over here, and if I were to go to compose and reply, and here you can see that pop out setting is an option. So here it is asking choose what happens when you write, reply to, or forward a message. So if I were to go around and click on pop out to a new window and click on save, then what happens is that if I were to reply, it actually pops out a new window right here. It does not open up the window over here anymore. So if I were to even forward it or reply to all, then you can see that I get a new window where I can focus on it. So once you enable the pop-out window, this is what happens right here. But what you can also do is you can go around onto compose and reply and simply click on write on inline and click on save. And if you were to click on reply, now what happens is that it simply opens up within over there. That is within the right hand side where you view the email, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the mail pop-up settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.